Today I'm going to teach you about zero exponents and negative exponents. Zero exponents, any base to the power of 0 equals 1, except for 0 to the 0 power, that is undefined. So you could have 1,000,000 to the 0 power, that is going to equal 1. Then for negative exponents, okay, so if you have 4 to the negative second power, the negative second is going to be on the denominator of our fraction. So that equals 1 over 4 squared. And if they ask us to evaluate that, that's going to be 1/16. So let's try a few. So 3 to the negative fourth. So the negative fourth power, we're going to make a fraction. Our numerator is going to be 1. And then you get rid of the negative exponent and you just put a positive. So if they ask you to write with positive exponents, your answer is 1 over 3 to the fourth power. If the question asks you to evaluate, you're actually going to solve for 3 to the fourth power, which equals 81. So my answer is 1 over 81. Negative 5x to the 0 power. Well, we learned before that any number, any variable, anything to the 0 power equals 1. So here we have negative 5 times 1, which just equals negative 5. So let's try a few more. Simplify. Write the expression using only positive exponents. So for number 7, you can see we have 8x to the negative second. So 8 is going to be our numerator, and because x is to the power of negative 2, that's going to be in our denominator. So 8 over x squared is our answer. Number 8, you're multiplying bases with the same base, you add the exponents. So b, 0 plus negative 10 is b to the negative 10th, but they want us to write it using only positive exponents. So my coefficient is a 1 in front of just plain b, so we have 1 over b to the 10th. Number 9, we're going to keep 15 on the bottom, so we have 1/15, and then we have z to the 6th divided by z to the 9th. So 6 minus 9 is negative 3. Because it's a negative 3, it's going to go in the denominator of the fraction, so z to the 3rd power. And then for the last one, we have 9 in the numerator. That's going to stay. Then we have y to the negative 3rd divided by 5. So what's negative 3 minus 5? That's y to the negative 8th. So we want to write using positive exponents. So it would be 9 over y to the 8th power. I hope this lesson helped you. Have a great day.